So it's raining, and I have my umbrella on. Yeah boy. I just slipped and fell. But anyways, it's cold. It rained and thundered and lightning last night. We have to walk in the rain today, walk in the rain tomorrow. I think Thursday maybe too, but then I think it clears up on Friday. So that's good. I'm not sleeping. I feel like I didn't even sleep last night. It was horrible. But I'm sure it'll get better. I'm doing a 12-mile day today, and I'm going to Carter Creek Gap Shelter or something like that. So I'm trucking right along in the lovely rain, and no views, no nothing. I think I have about 4 miles to go. Sorry, had to check my 6. And yeah, this is what they talk about. Those days that you want to give up. But to me, to tell you the truth, even though my feet are just soaked, I like this. So I